Black Canary was once depicted as a biker vigilante, proving she can adapt to any era or style. Did you know her mother, the original Black Canary, was also a hero, meaning being a legend runs in her blood? She's one of the few superheroes who balance crime fighting with a music career, proving you can be tough and artistic. Unlike most heroes, Dinah doesn't wear heavy armor. She relies entirely on speed, skill, and precision. She's teamed up with Batman multiple times, and even he respects her combat skills.